All right, it's that time again. Here we are on a beautiful fallish day. There is the Ghetto Ass greenhouse, operational for 11 years now. We got a little growth. What do we got? We got almost 78 degrees or so, give or take a degree. This baby has seen better days, but she's been good. She's been very, very good to me. Okay, we got the fish food. And here we go. Entree beaucoup, mademoiselle. What do we got going today? Well, we've got microgreens, banana tree. There's some more greens. There's the fishies. Oh, look at that. We got some mushrooms. And guess what else we got? More mushrooms. Whoa, look at that. Crazy. When they go, they go. So yeah, they're like popping out of every possible orifice. So this is exciting. And let's see, what do we got over here? These are the beds, the mushroom beds that are getting inoculated. So let's take a look. What do we got? Okay, we got some mycelium starting to spread. So yeah, it looks like all systems are grow. All systems grow. I cover these up to keep the humidity up while the mycelium is forming. Here's another aquaponic grow bed. Oh wow. Wow, they're even popping in here. Incredible. Shit. I guess I can take this cover off since they're starting to pop on their own. Okay. Well, I'm going to take these covers down since it looks like they're starting. Wow, they're starting to sprout like crazy. Interesting. Okay. So we don't need these covers anymore for now. So I'll put them here in the drying chamber. This is another grow bed. And of course, here's the fish pond. We're down to I think only 6 goldfish because the channel catfish are eating the goldfish. So that's what's happening. There's some rando plant. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's growing. I need to plant that container. And everything looks pretty good. Please like, subscribe, share. Peace, love, and understanding. Have a great day, guys.